I'm gonna tell you something significant formula that you can apply to speak English fluently, and basically I'm gonna tell you 5 points that you can make to speak English fluently. And the first point, which is going to be a really powerful if you are applying. So the first point is that we have to make a deadline to speak English. Without a deadline, and if you don't know that how to speak English, so there are basically five things that I'm gonna tell you that you have to apply if you want to speak English fluently. And the first thing that I told you, that you have to just make a deadline so that you will be able to, so that you will have an idea that within this short period of time we have to finish all of this process that I have given, that I have assigned. And the second thing that I am going to tell you is that we have to start translating one language into another. You know my friend, when we are not born in a country where English is spoken, so we will have to put a lot of effort, we will have to do so many things to learn this language. It is going to be golden opportunity for us if we are born in a country where English is spoken. So we are not in a country where it is spoken, so for that we will have to put a lot of effort. We need to put patience as well at the same time, and so that is the thing that I want to tell you. The third thing that I am going to tell you is that we have to start listening. And the child who is born in a country, so I think I had given this sort of example so many times, so that's why I am repeating this sort of thing over and over again. So you have to just start listening. So you have to start listening many sort of content, and you have to start listening many sort of accent. The more accent, the more diversified accent you will observe, the better that is going to be. So that's why I want you to listen different kind of accents. So that is gonna give you so much knowledge, of different accents, and that is gonna give you so much result in the long term. So that's why my friend, I want you to learn this thing, and I want you to observe different accents. Fourth thing that I'm gonna tell you is that we have to learn basic things. So my friend, as I have told you that we are not born in a country where it is spoken, so we have to put a lot of effort to speak this language, and without learning basic things, it's not gonna be easy for us. So it's so much easy for all of us if you are not born in a country where it is spoken. So we need to learn basic things, all the basic things. In basic things you can learn simple sentences, tenses, preposition, conjunction, and narration and passive voice. So all of this is gonna give you so much result, and the basic things, your basic things must be strong if you don't know how to speak English. And the final thing is, my friend, that we have to start speaking with whatever we know. So we don't have to think that if I don't know grammar, I don't know the basic things, I don't know anything, then how can I start speaking? So it doesn't matter at all, because nobody is fluent in the beginning. So you'll have to put effort to be fluent. So you have to start talking with whatever you know, and ultimately you are gonna see the change, and you will be able to, over a period of time, you will see that result in yourself, and you will talk anywhere in front of anybody in any corner of the world. So that is gonna be so much easy if you are putting effort, and at the same time you need to keep some patience, and the patience is the thing which is gonna come after putting the effort that you are putting to be fluent in this language. So that's it for today, my friend. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel, and of course you are going to be a fluent in this language. But till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.